boundary and a fast outfielder. Now that sounded good. It's a big chase for deep top edge, and it's fine enough. It could go all the way, actually. Let's just have a look there. No.
There's a top edge. He might have done it first ball. Might have. He has. Catch taken.
Crafty. That is a beautiful shot. Got it through. Disappointing finish to the over. You can see. Oh, that's out. That's a top catch too.
That's up and over. Tuscan at third was. Oh, he goes full. That's really clever from Rizwan. It's like he knew where it was going to be delivered. Oh, it's a full toss. It's a full toss that's been hit for 6. All the way. The timing was superb. He goes full again. It's a replay. This time he goes up and over cover, does Nawaz. Fielder will get across. They should get back.